Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to review the new Christopher Ward C63 Sealander GMT watch. This is the distressed ombre green finish dial, and let me go through all the features of this watch. And definitely this is definitely something worth collecting, and look at this really beautiful piece. So the watch model is C63 39 AGM 3-S00V0-VC, that is the SKU number of this watch. The watch model is C63 segment and it is named as Sealander, and this is the GMT version of the particular watch. The case size on this watch is 39 mm. The dial color is hunter green with distressed ombre finish, and this is the hand distressed kind of version, which is really cool here. The case material is stainless steel, and that to a really very good quality. The dual tone finish, the polished edges, the polished corners, and the brushed overall bulk body of this particular watch case. This is really good. The bezel color is also silver, and it has a fixed 24 hours marker which is not movable, which is very similar to Grand Seiko GMT as well as the Rolex Explorer GMT watches. That's really cool. The height on this watch is 11.85 mm, which is very minimalistic kind of, something that not too thick, not too thin kind of object that gives it a really rugged yet very sleek look. So this is really nice. So the lug to lug width on this watch is 45.8 mm, which is not that big and really suits on your wrist if you have almost about 7 inches of average wrist size. That definitely looks good. The weight of this watch overall is 87 grams only, which is really nice for a field watch like this Christopher Ward GMT C63 GMT. The water resistance on these watches are around 150 meters, which has been mentioned here. And if you can see that the logo Christopher Ward is mentioned and automatic GMT has been mentioned here, and it is 150 meter or 500 feet of water resistance. The strap material on this watch is the vintage camel tan kind of strap, but there are other strap options also, and the lug width of the strap is around 20 mm, and it has a standard strap, so that is something really nice. There are other options on the strap also, which you have the canvas webbing with orange stitching, green colored canvas strap is there. Now let us go to the movement and the case back of this watch. So wow, this is really nice. So if you can see the movement on this watch, this is a Christopher Ward customized Sellita SW330-2 with 25 jewel suspension and the GMT complication as well as date here. So this is really excellent excellent movement, really something. It has a 56 hours of power reserve and better than ± 20 seconds of time accuracy. That is really bang for the buck. If you see the case and the case back, it's really nice. So if you see the legendary Christopher Ward finishing, that is the collimation finishing and the twin flag engraved rotor with Christopher Ward mentioned here, and the movement on the rotor is really smooth. So let's see what it has been mentioned here. It is Swiss made stainless steel 15 ATM, and the overall caseback presentation is really nice. So if you also see the strap here, it is a quick release type and it has been mentioned 20-ST, which means it is 20 mm width, and the Christopher Ward twin flag logo here. So they have not mentioned the logo on the dial where it has been mentioned Christopher Ward. They have simply mentioned Christopher Ward, but they have put the logo here. Some people do say that they would have liked the same twin flag logo in place of Christopher Ward, but that doesn't matter to me much. But different people may have their different choices, so that's really something. So now let us go to the features on the watches. The dial, if you see that the hands here have the legendary trident second hand with orange end here, the orange color end here, The GMT hand is partially black and then partially orange with a triangular loom at the end. The hands are the Christopher Ward legendary customized hand that has really nice finishing and very nice polish to it. And the hands have been painted with the Super Luminova grade X1 BL C1 and all the indices as well. So let me tell you that this lume is not as bright as the Seiko counterparts, but definitely these are definitely long lasting and are very stable. So I really like that part in this. So this has a very, it gives an overall watch a great look, a great fit and finish, a good size, and a worth having in your collection. So let me just unscrew the screw down type of crown here, and let me show you that it has a hand winding feature also, where you can slightly wind the watch to give it an initial kickstart if the watch has been stopped for a longer period of time. If you pull it once, you may get the date changer here if you move it anti-clockwise, and if you move it clockwise, then you will have the independent GMT setting as well. So that you can definitely benefit with if you are using this kind of watch. And if you pull the crown to the second position here, then you are able to change the time here. So that is really nice. So if you can see that it has a hackable function. So the second hand has stopped here when I am going to change the time, and then I am going to push back the crown in and going to screw it back on its place. So here if you can see, the crown has been marked with the Christopher Ward logo, and it is really comfortable and a very nice looking watch. So I really like this kind of thing. So let me go ahead and put it on the wrist, because this is my watch and I can definitely put it on the wrist to show you how it looks. So just a second, and here it is. See how good it looks. So if anyone had any kind of concerns regarding whether or not should I buy this watch or anyone should buy this watch, I will say that yes, definitely go ahead and buy this piece. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. This was Christopher Ward C63 cylinder GMT, and a really nice piece in my collection. So I would definitely suggest you to take a look at the other pieces as well. If you have broader wrist, then they have the Christopher Ward C60 and C65 segment of watches with larger case size as well. So this has been the Christopher Ward, and I have been Adhiraj, your friend and a fellow watch collector. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice one. Bye.